Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by downloading ROBLOX Studio from the official website. This is the free development tool that lets you build games right on your computer. Once installed, open it up and you'll see the interface where all the magic happens. Step 2. Create a new project and choose a template that matches what you want to build, whether that's an obby, a tycoon, or a role-play game. Templates give you a head start with basic building blocks already in place. Step 3. Familiarize yourself with the workspace by exploring the toolbox, which contains parts, models, and assets you can drag into your game world. You can resize, rotate, and position everything using the move and scale tools. Step 4. Learn Lua scripting since that's what powers ROBLOX games. Start with simple scripts that control player interactions, spawn systems, and basic game mechanics. There are tons of free tutorials online to help you learn the basics. Step 5. Test your game constantly using the play button in Studio so you can catch bugs early and make sure everything feels right. Once you're happy with your creation, publish it to ROBLOX so other players can enjoy what you've built and give you feedback.